Hello everyone, my name is Đặng Quang Hiếu. I am now a final year student in UES, University of Economics, Ho Chi Minh City, and I am also a transportation planner at PepsiCo Food Vietnam. I am a supply chain enthusiast, and also my quote is "Winner never quit, quitter never win." So let's we solve the S company problem. Let's first come with the executive summary. Here is our situation. Situation in here is that S company is a fledgling e-commerce at Vietnam. It lacks experience in inventory and order management, and also it had applied barcode scanning in warehouse and order processing. So what is the complication here? We have a two big complication in here. The first is that major of work is still done very manually. The second thing is that customer is complain about our lost order, prolonged delivery time, and also the third is that the inefficiency in order process and warehouse. So the question to solve our problem is that which technology can be used so that we can apply and solving the problem. The second thing is that the cost and implementation for this solution, and also the risk management and further technology prepare for future. So my answer for this is that the technology solution in phase 1 is ERP, SAP Business One, and the phase 2 is that WMS Warehouse Management System. And also I have a budget planning and also risk management for this. So let we come to analyzing the current situation and define the right need of the e-company. The situation here is that it is the fledgling e-commerce in Vietnam, so that it is still a small SME company, and we will have a very limited budget for the technology solution. The second thing is that it's an income field, so that we can scale up really fast in the future, so that we will need a system, a technology that can grow up, can scale up with the business. The second thing is that customer is complain about the lost order, the prolonged delivery time. So we have to control on the order and also apply it to on function and apply it for on the process too. So that we will need an ERP system to control all of it. The third thing is that the major of work is still done very manually, so that we have to reduce it by the system and automation. And the fourth thing is that inefficiency in order process and also warehouse. We have to increase the accuracy of inventory, and also we have to optimize and standardize the process of warehouse. So let's come to my idea proposal. My idea proposal is have a two phase, as you can see in the future. It's the SAP Business One in phase 1 and WMS in phase 2. In phase 1, we have a focus on SAP Business One that will focus on order management and also integrating other departments into our ERP system, and we can scale up future in the longer period. So the goal in here is that we have to control, enhance sales customer, and also satisfy our customer. We have to automation the process and also data analysis and reporting in the our business. The second thing is that the phase 2. The phase 2 come after the phase 1 when we have already applied the SAP B1. We have to import one module in SAP, is that WMS module. We have to integrate our barcode scanning because we have already do it, and we have to integrate it into one system, so that we can also picking, packing, and tracking our lot, our expiry date, and also increase the efficiency and productivity. So our goal in here is that to increase the inventory accuracy and also optimization, and also in the warehouse space and the labor. So let's come with the first stage, the SAP Business One. So why I choose the Business B1 for our its company? SAP B1 is the best fit for e-commerce due to its expansion for capability, and in 2023 around 9,000 companies has used SAP as an ERP system, and over 100 companies in Vietnam use it. So you can see in here about 63% of SME use B1, so it's very best fit for its company. And also SAP B1 can reduce our operational cost up to 23%, which can saving a lot for really small companies like us. So segment benefit of SAP is that we can centralize and increase the data, we can control and track and sell order, we can streamline and standardize the process, and also we have a business analytics and report and essay, and also we have a customer relationship management due to our ERP system, and we can easily apply other module in the future. Yeah. So when we apply it, we will have some KPI to control and also to make it more successful in our project. Is that I got like 5. The first is that the order accuracy 98%. The second thing is that the order fill rate 99%. The third thing that is that the order cycle time. The fourth thing is that the on-time delivery 98%, and also the fifth is that the customer satisfaction is 95%. I know this is really high number, but I think we can do it, and we have to aim higher our goal so that we can achieve more and we create more value so that we can provide to our customer. Yeah. Then after we finish our first phase, the SAP business one, we have to come to the second phase, the WMS system, because we have a lot of problem in our warehouse. So WMS will be the key to solve it. WMS, according to my research, it will increase the performance in e-commerce about 18% and also the optimization to 25%. It can also integrate our barcode scanning with WMS and will help us to reduce our manual work and also increase the labor productivity. And parallel with the SAP system, I have also remain with the benefit and also the KPI. We have 4 benefit here: the inventory visibility and control, the order fulfillment efficiency, the increased productivity, and also the warehouse optimization. And so with that, we have 4 KPI so that when we apply WMS, we will know what we will reach and how we can achieve it. The first thing is that the inventory accuracy 98%. The second thing is that the order picking lead time. The third thing is that the warehouse capacity utilization. And the fourth thing is that the labor productivity. And when we apply with it, we will have which supplier will supply our need. So I have make out five key criteria so that we can make a decision. The first thing is that the price. The second thing is the service and also the flexibility. The third thing is that the experience and reputation of that company, because it's very really important in this industry. The fourth thing is that the project implementation time, because we don't have much time to do it, and we have to consider that we have to satisfy our customer, we have to solve our product. So time is very key decision for us to make, and also the future expansion, because I know an e-commerce company can scale up really fast, so that we have ready for the future. Just don't see at the short term, expand more to see it in the long term. So when combine five key criteria in here, you can see that I have choose the one had the highest score is that the FPT system. FPT is already have around 50 customer around in Vietnam and also in the world, so that they will have really experience in this company field. They also have applied the SAP B1 as our demand, and also they have applied WMS for a lot of company. So that I think that based on my key criteria here, I believe FPT is our best choice supplier for this. So come to our implementation. As I say, SAP B1 in the phase 1 and WMS in the phase 2. I have already visualize it on the Gantt chart so that you can see what we will do and how our step. So at this Gantt chart, I want to say that training and communication is the key for us to winning this project, and also we have to estimate the time go live in the week 21, and also we have to relationship management with FPT for phase 2 and also for further support if we want to expand more. And here is some activity you will see. First, we have to prepare for ERP project. Then we survey and also review the current situation. What is we are doing good and what is doing bad. Then we have to build a standard process and then prepare for infrastructure. After we done that, we have to installing and training our employees so that they can understand and they can do it on the SAP B1. And also we UAT and go live. And after that, we have inspection so that we can review on the process, what we do in good, what we do in bad, and what we can learn in the future. And then is the support and maintenance. So here is the process to apply the SAP B1. After we have a success about SAP B1, we will go with the WMS system. the phase 2. So phase 2 will go live in the non-peak time because warehouse very busy in the peak time and we don't have right time, we don't have enough time to do it. So we have to, one of key strategy here, we have to apply and also integrate the barcode scanning into a WMS system, because we only have it and it will make more value and also more efficiency into our warehouse. So, and I want to emphasize more that communication is still the key to deliver project in phase 2. So the step in here really similar to the ERP, but we have cut down some but like we have to prepare, we have to survey, we have to build standard, we have to prepare the infrastructure, and also we have a training, and also we testing, go live, and then we support together in the future. So you already heard about on the implementation plan from which supplier we choose, then what we do in this. So we also have to think about what budget and also risk management. So come with the budget first. Each company is really small, I know that, because we are in the e-commerce and really refreshing. So I will choose the budget about $469 million. It very fit, and also I believe that each company can adapt it. So most of spend when I calculate, it will refer to the hardware, software, and also the training, keep resource our project. Also, based on our actual needs, we will review it back together so that we can have some solution or action plan in the future to step out, and we can reduce on the delay and the step back project. So you can see here, as I say, this budget is refer a lot of refer when I saw about budget when they apply the WMS also SAP together. And also each company have to foresee the risk and also have an action plan in the future. I have a list top 4 risks. I will think it will come to our business when we apply the also SAP and also WMS. The first thing is that the over budget, the delay in the project. The impact is about the financial health, the cash flow, or the longer process, and also the detail to how we can make it or mitigate it. With that, we have to budget planning for vendor. We have to estimate for each activity and control it very closely, and we have prepared other resources to continue our project. The second risk is that the complexity when we implementation it. We have to a lot of disrupt about impact like daily operation. We have a productivity loss, and also we have a resistance to change from employee. So as I say, communication and training is the key. So the mitigation in here action for that is we have a clearer plan for each session and when implementing, and also we have a thoroughly training program for our employees. So the third risk is the overload system on peak time or the system error. This will impact about the disruption for operation, the increased workload for our employee, and also it's longer time to respond to our customer. So what we can do in here is that we can maintain it periodic, we can track and report the incident, and also we have to capacity planning for the peak season when we apply it, so that we have already can supply for our customer even in the peak time. Then the final question is the data security and also privacy. The reputation company, the business activity will impact a lot if we have a hacker in our system. So we have to request the security measure for our system with the vendor, and also we have to training the employee about the data and also the security privacy. So as I say, this is on my business solution for the each company. It's the first phase with SAP B1 and also the WMS in phase 2. Thank you for listening, and I hope this will make each company become greater in the future. Thank you.